Have you ever pondered the meaning of data wrangling in the realm of data science? Well, it's time to unravel this intriguing concept. Data wrangling, often known as data munging, is essentially the process of cleaning, structuring, and enriching raw data into a more usable and accessible format. It's a crucial first step in the data science pipeline, preparing the data for analysis and enabling more informed decision-making. Imagine a gold miner sifting through layers of rock and soil to find precious nuggets of gold. Similarly, a data scientist sifts through raw, unstructured data to discover valuable insights. Data wrangling, in this case, is the sifting process, a necessary step to uncover those golden nuggets of information. The data wrangling process unfolds in several stages. Initially, data is collected from a variety of sources. It can be databases, Excel files, text files, or even web scraping. This collection stage can be likened to a miner gathering rocks and soil. Next comes the data cleaning stage. Here, inconsistencies, errors, and missing values in the data are identified and corrected. It's similar to the miner washing the gathered materials, removing the unwanted debris and keeping only the potential gold-bearing rocks. The third stage involves data transformation, where the cleaned data is converted into a format suitable for analysis. It might involve changing the layout of the data, combining data from different sources, or creating new variables. It's akin to the miner breaking down the rocks to reveal the hidden gold. Finally, there's data validation, where checks are performed to ensure that the data is ready for analysis. This is the equivalent of the miner examining the gold nuggets to ensure their quality before selling them. Data wrangling is a crucial process in data science, but it's often overlooked or underappreciated. It's time-consuming and can be complicated, but it's a necessary step to ensure that the data is reliable and useful. A well-wrangled dataset leads to more accurate and insightful analysis, which in turn supports more informed decision-making. To summarize, data wrangling is the process of transforming raw data into a more usable format for analysis. It involves four main stages: data collection, data cleaning, data transformation, and data validation. By understanding and effectively applying data wrangling techniques, one can ensure that their data analysis is based on reliable and high-quality data. So, the next time you hear the term data wrangling, remember it's not just about dealing with data. It's about refining raw materials into valuable assets, much like a miner unearthing precious gold. It's the first and arguably one of the most important steps in the data science pipeline, setting the stage for insightful analysis and informed decision-making.